Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast for Friday evening, January 30th, 2026. Real stories, AI voices. Full articles at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Let's get into it.
Helix BioPharma Corp announces voting results from its annual general and special meeting. Helix BioPharma Corp announced the voting results from its annual general and special meeting, with 81.003% of total shares voted. Shareholders overwhelmingly approved all items of business, including the re-election of 4 directors and the appointment of Clearhouse LLP as auditor. The resolution to amend the articles for a share consolidation was also approved. Details of the vote will be filed on SEDAR+. For more information, visit Helix BioPharma's website.
150th Anniversary Challenge to celebrate Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show's milestone anniversary. To celebrate the 150th anniversary of the Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show, the American Heart Association is urging people to aim for 150 minutes of physical activity each week. As the iconic competition kicks off in New York City on January 31st, the association highlights the benefits of regular movement for heart and brain health. Research shows that pets, like dogs, can help improve heart-healthy habits and overall well-being.
Red Dress Collection Concert, hosted by actress Laura Linney, kicks off American Heart Month. Actress Laura Linney, along with musical guests Nicole Scherzinger and Amy Grant, headlined the Red Dress Collection concert in New York City to kick off American Heart Month. The event, hosted by the American Heart Association, featured influential leaders in music, entertainment, and fashion, advocating for women's heart health and raising awareness about cardiovascular disease, the leading cause of death for women in the U.S.
Soligenix positioning for impact in growing rare disease landscape. Soligenix is positioning itself for impact in the growing rare disease landscape. With a focus on delivering progress in rare disease-based therapeutics, the company is advancing candidates for orphan diseases and serious conditions with limited treatment options. As the global burden of rare diseases continues to rise, Soligenix is working on innovative therapies to address unmet medical needs. More than 300 million people worldwide live with rare diseases, highlighting the urgent need for specialized biotherapeutics and public health solutions.
New compound could become a transformational brain cancer pill. Researchers at the University of Chicago have identified a compound showing promise in shrinking brain tumors in mice, raising hopes for a potential glioblastoma treatment pill. The scientific community eagerly awaits upcoming clinical trials to assess its efficacy in humans. Companies like CNS Pharmaceuticals, Inc. are closely following these developments.
I'm sorry. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.